Two telescopic cranes mounted on barges were lifting a 187-ton bridge when everything went sideways. Like many Dutch cities, Alphen aan den Rijn is laced with a network of canals. Its many drawbridges get a lot of wear and tear. For more than 50 years, the Juliana drawbridge carried 15,000 vehicles a day. The old crossing needed a new span, the deck that tilts up for boats and down for bicycles. The 187-ton span was custom-made. A crane company and a barge operator coordinated a plan for delivery and installation. To pull it off, they needed 2 telescopic cranes and 3 barges. A 700-ton crane and a 400-ton crane would float alongside the cargo barge, hoist the massive span, then carry it down the canal to the drawbridge and lay it neatly in place. They only had to travel 100 meters to the insertion point. They didn't come close. When the dust cleared, over 50 homes and businesses had been destroyed. Miraculously, no one was seriously injured. What began as an installation ended in devastation.